In a wide pot over medium heat, heat oil. Add pork and cook, stirring occasionally until lightly browned. Add onions and garlic and cook, stirring occasionally until softened. Add string beans and cook. Stirring occasionally for about 1 to 5 minutes or until softened. Add coconut milk. Bring to a simmer and cook for about 30 minutes. Add shrimp paste and pork cubes. Season with small amount of sugar, salt and pepper to taste. Stirring occasionally and continue. Simmer until thickened and begins to render fat. Finger chilies and cook, stirring regularly for about 1 to 2 minutes. Serve hot and enjoy. Thank you for watching.